Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Write the number 200s in decimal form. So first of all, here 200s means 2 by 100. So this we have to write in decimal form. So in such question what we do is, let's say this is our table and this is our hundreds place and this is tenths and then comes decimal point. So if we have to convert 2 by 100 in decimal point, then what we have to do is, we can see the number 2 comes in the hundreds place and after that no digit is there before that, so we can write 0 here and decimal point is written here. So in this way we make any fraction to decimal form. So we can write 2 by 100 as 0.02, or you can say only 0.02 is the decimal form of 200. So this is our answer.